Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you ready for your next adventure? Well, I have the perfect suitcase for you. This is from OIWAS and I am super excited about this suitcase. This is a 24-inch rolling suitcase. I needed something a little bit bigger than just a carry-on, but I didn't want anything giant. And this completely fits the bill. For me, the number one factor in choosing a suitcase is it has to be durable, because you have seen how those things get thrown around at airports. So you really need something that is going to stand up to that and keep all your items protected. This one is made from a polycarbonate. It is really, really strong and durable. And it's also flexible though. So it's gonna be able to absorb a little bit of impact, which is great. It's also got awesome spinner wheels, 360-degree spin. They're also really, really quiet and they're so smooth. They roll so nicely. The compartments are fully lined and there are also several little additional pockets, and there's even a small waterproof compartment. So that's just a really nice touch as well. There is a TSA compliant lock, so you can have a little bit of added security. The telescoping handle is made of aluminum and it works really, really well. There are also feet here on the side, so if you do flip your suitcase over and have it resting, then it is going to sit really comfortably on its side as well. Not only is this a very functional suitcase, I also think that it looks gorgeous, and I really love this mint green color. So that makes it really easy to pick out at baggage claim. So if you're looking for a super solid, lightweight, but very durable suitcase for your next trip, then definitely check out this one from OIWAS. I am really, really impressed with it. Smooth rolling wheels, really, really strong and lightweight. What more could you ask for? I really love it. And that's my point of view.